Welcome to my channel of singing lessons from scratch. I am Natalia Bliss, singer, pianist and vocal technique teacher, and today we are going to practice the exercises to sing with the diaphragm. This is one of my favorite breathing exercises. It's my English channel. You also have my channel available in Spanish, Natalia Bliss, clases de canto desde cero. A small clarification. Technically, you cannot sing with the diaphragm because the diaphragm is not a sound organ. When the concept singing with the diaphragm is used, it usually refers to diaphragmatic breathing, which involves not only the diaphragm, as it is a semi-voluntary muscle, but also the muscles of the abdomen and even the muscles of the back. Before practicing these exercises, make sure you do not lift your chest when inhaling. You do not do this. Esto. But try to expand your ribs when you inhale. And when you exhale, try to keep your ribs open as long as possible. If you like my channel and want to support me, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the little bell so you don't miss to see my new videos, and also follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. That's where I announce my sweepstakes and discounts. We start with the exercise ha, ho, hu, he, hi. The male voice starts here, from an A2. The female voice from an A3. Sería ha, ho, hu, he, hi. You must feel those little impulses here. Ha, ho, hu, he, hi. Come on, now you. Vamos. Ha, ho, hu, he, hi. Ahora tú. Ja, ho, hu, he, hi. Activos. Aire. Ja, ho, hu, he, hi. Sigue. Vamos. Aire. Inhala. Sigue. Vamos. Activos. Vamos hacia abajo. La voz femenina con voz de cabeza. Ja, ho, hu, he, hi. Ja, ho, hu, he, hi. Seguimos. Y bajamos más. Muy activos. Seguimos un poco más. Muy bien. The following exercise is one of my favorite breathing exercises. It sounds like this. In this case, we breathe only once at the beginning of the phrase. The male voice starts from A2. The female voice from A3. Vamos. Sigue. O, U, I. Inhalamos. Aire. Ahora tú. A, O, bien. The next exercise we do with legato musical ligature. The phrase is slow and continuous. We breathe only at the beginning of the phrase. It sounds like this. Now you. Aire y sigue. Y A. Muy bien. Aire y A. Muy bien. Respiramos. Inhala. Inhalamos. Muy bien. Sigue. La voz masculina canta aquí. Y seguimos un poco más. Sigue. Un poco más. Y una más. Muy bien. Sigue. Inhalamos. Muy bien. La voz masculina aquí. Muy bien. Seguimos. The female voice is already in the passaggio, can go from chest voice to head voice. Sigue. Muy bien, un poco más. Y una más. Vamos. Muy bien. I hope you liked my video. Keep practicing, keep improving your vocal technique, and as always, I wish you to enjoy the music and enjoy your voice. Kisses!